In this video, you'll learn how to change the quantity of an item on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to update your listings effectively, ensuring accurate stock levels for your customers. Start by logging into your eBay Seller Hub account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the listings section, which is typically found in the main menu. Here you will see a list of your active listings. Find the specific listing for the item whose quantity you want to edit. Next to the item title, click on the option labeled Revise. This action will take you to the editing screen for that particular listing. After entering the edit screen, review the current quantity available for the item. It is essential to ensure that the listing format you are using allows for quantity edits. If you are using a format that does not support quantity changes, you may need to adjust your listing format before proceeding. Locate the quantity field within the listing details. This field allows you to enter the updated number of items available for sale. Input the new quantity, making sure to double check the accuracy of your stock to avoid overselling. If you find that the new stock levels affect pricing, adjust the price accordingly to reflect the quantity you have on hand. Additionally, review your shipping settings to ensure they are consistent with your updated listing. Once you've made all necessary changes, click on the button labeled Submit Revisions to apply your updates. After submitting, it is a good practice to refresh the listing page to confirm that the changes have taken effect. You should see the updated quantity reflected on your item listing. To maintain inventory accuracy, monitor your stock levels regularly. If you are handling multiple products, consider using inventory management tools that can help streamline this process. For those who engage in drop shipping, keeping your stock synchronized with suppliers is crucial to ensure that your listings are always accurate and up to date. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.